Kylie Jenner gushed over her daughter's cute little toes in a super cute video. The Life of Kylie star shared a short video of herself playing with her newborn daughter Stormi's tiny toes on Snapchat. While Kylie is a huge fan of sharing her life on social media, she has only posted a handful of pictures of her and Travis Scott's baby since giving birth earlier this month. The new mother has recently revealed that her daughter is doing good, and she said that the infant looks just like her when she was a baby. Sick of these promos? Like us and subscribe so we won't have to make up any new ones.